guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jeannie and this is Get This Glowing, and in today's video I've got an exciting video for you today because it is that time of the month again whenever we start talking about the March BoxyCharm spoilers and sneak peeks. And I usually come on and do a look for you with those products, and that's what I've got for you today. I have created this look with March's products, and so if you want to see that, then go ahead and smash that subscribe button, ring that bell, and keep on watching. We're getting into it right now. Okay guys, so March is going to be an exciting month for BoxyLuxe, and BoxyCharm base box doesn't seem to be disappointing this month, and so we know that premium is going to be a Fenty takeover, and guys, who's excited for that? I most certainly am. I'm a very big fan, and I have a lot of Fenty products and I cannot wait to add to my collection. So we know that we are going to be getting the Fenty Beauty Moroccan Spice palette. I already have that. I've shown this on my channel before. This is just an absolutely gorgeous palette. It performs well. The shadows blend well. The only critique that I have of this palette is that there's really not very many shadows in here to use as a lighter transition shade. The lighter shades in this palette are shimmers, and if you are opposed to taking a shimmer into the crease, then you may have to pull in from another palette. That's my only critique of this palette whatsoever. I'm not so opposed to using a shimmer in my crease, so it really doesn't bother me. If you are, that might be something that you find is lacking in this palette, but other than that, I think that you are going to like this palette very much. I think you're going to be able to create a lot of various looks, but if there was, say, a lighter pink, lighter gray, lighter taupe, lighter bone color, then I think that it would give this palette a lot bigger range, and I think that you could create a lot more varied looks with it. Otherwise, this palette is very good. The formula is good. It blends out good, and I've created a lot of beautiful looks with this palette. Of course, we are going to be getting the blotting papers, some Mademoiselle lippies, some of the match stick, the Fenty highlighter and trophy wipe, and if that one does not work out for you as a highlighter, remember you can always use that as an eyeshadow. Moving into some other products, what I do have on my eyes today is the Tarteist Pro Remix palette. I use this to create this look that I'm wearing on my eyes today, and guys, I really like this palette. As we get on further into the video, if you want to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. That will be at the end of the video. But guys, this palette is really, really nice. The only critique that I have of this palette is that there's only 3 matte shades. The rest are shimmers, and these shades over here do have some glitter aspects to them, but they are so fun, and I just took the shimmer right into my crease. There's really no problem with that. It created a very, very pretty look. I am really liking the look that I have. I went in with this color here and this beautiful deep purple here. Oh, I'm really loving the look that I got out of this palette. I think it is a fun palette that you can create a lot of really fun punchy looks with for your wardrobe. So this is a great performing palette. It does have a smell to it. It smells good, but it does have a little bit of a fragrance to it, so just be aware of that. But there is a nice big mirror in this palette. It is a very nice palette. So I am loving this one. I did choose this in my box, so I'll be doing a giveaway on my channel with that. As far as palettes goes, the other palette that we are going to be getting that I'm so excited for is the BoxyCharm palette, the Hello Charmer palette. That is just absolutely, it just looks so fun. There's so many bright colors in it, and I cannot wait to get my hands on that one. I think that this is so exciting as a tribute to a lot of the Instagram accounts, channels, YouTube channels that are strictly those channels dedicated to BoxyCharm news and sneak peeks and updates about BoxyCharm. I just think it's wonderful. I am just loving that palette. I think it's fun. It's colorful. It has just, from what I see online about it, there's people are loving it. People are giving it rave reviews. So I cannot wait to see what it's like for myself. I am very excited about that palette. And then the other palette that we had a choice of for the base box people. And guys, I really, really hope, this is just my opinion, but I'm hoping that you didn't choose this one. It is the Hank and Henry Living in Color. I got this in my Hank and Henry mystery box. To me, this is, first of all, it is so bulky. Look at this. Oh, look at this palette. I mean, ugh. Like, really? For what? And it's called Living in Color. What color? Brown? This palette is just, to me, it's ugly. The blues are okay, but I mean, like these two colors right here, this one and this one, they look exactly the same. It's just terrible. I'm going to go in with this lightest color right now, and I'm just going to apply that on my eye. I'm using a Wayne Goss 16, and I'm going into that taupe color into my crease. There are so many variations that are going to be out there for March because there are so many spoilers that have been revealed. Is that what you guys are feeling? So the spoilers that I have seen include between the base box, we've seen and the base box is going to be really good because the base box has the Very Cherry, the Pharmacy Very Cherry Clean version of the Green Clean Cleansing Balm. Okay, I'm wearing purple, and this taupey look is kind of, I think, good with purple. So I think I'm going to go into this shade right here that is purple, and I'm going to kind of build that up. It is a shimmer shade, but I'm totally fine with shimmers in my crease. I don't think that there's anything wrong with that. Charlotte Tilbury's formulas have shimmers, and it totally doesn't bother me. There is a beautiful shimmer shade right here in this palette, and it's called Graphic. And I am going to go in with my finger, and I am going to apply this right here to the outer corner. Oh wow, that's really pretty. I'm going to take a JH41 from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe collection. I'm really not getting any fallout either. So that's pretty good. And then I'm going to go into this light gray kind of duochrome shade that's right here and put that towards the inner corner. I'm going to blend and just make sure that everything looks seamless. These shades over here on the side are really nice. And then I'm just going to take a pencil brush, and I'm going into a little bit of the black and a little bit of the purple underneath. And now I'm just going to finish up the other eye. Okay, I have my eye look all finished up, and I'm just going to step off camera and put on my mascara, my eyeliner, and some lashes, and finish up the rest of my face. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I am going to put a little bit of, this is not one of the NARS Power Pigments, but this is one of my favorite. This is Chelsea Girls, and this is just a really pretty nudie pink color, and I think it goes well with the look today. I did not even put any bronzer on. I was actually gonna put some Shady Biz by Fenty on, because just in honor of the fact that she's doing a takeover box. I picked up a Pretty Vulgar, a shade of the Pretty Vulgar Make Them Blush. This is in shade 18, Hush Blush, and I am really hoping that Joe, these are on sale at Sephora, and I would love to see some of the Pretty Vulgar blushes come back into the box. So I am really hoping that Joe picks up some of these Pretty Vulgar blushes. They are just absolutely beautiful, and that's what I'm wearing today. And so yeah, I would love to see these come back into the box. They're just absolutely gorgeous, and I am really on the hunt for some of these at TJ Maxx, because I have been getting a lot of Pretty Vulgar products at TJ Maxx lately. So this is my look. I have finished it off with some lashes, and I am wearing the new Tarte Brow product on my eyebrows. This is it's called Big Ego Sketch and Set Brow Pencil, and I have mine in the shade Taupe, and that's what this is looking like, and I am really loving it. Oh, I am really, I am into this. So yeah, so I hope that you enjoyed the look today using the Tarteist Pro Remix palette that we are going to be getting in our Boxy, I don't know if this is Boxy Base as well as BoxyLuxe, but definitely it was a choice for my BoxyLuxe box. So yes, I will be doing a giveaway with this whenever I get in my BoxyLuxe on my channel. If you did not choose this, be looking for that once we start getting in our BoxyLuxe boxes. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you like the look. Let me know in the comments below what you're thinking about the boxes this month. And I'll see you in my next one, guys. Mwah. Smooches, everybody. Bye-bye for now.